Hello Shinta, how are you? Long time no see.
I'm very well, thank you. And how about you, Dea?
I'm feel okay.
How are you during the holiday?
I just enjoy my wonderful holiday with cooking. It's interesting and fun.
That's true, Dea. I feel so.
Hello guys, you two look so much fun.
Yeah, I totally agree with Butsaina. That makes it part from fun.
We're talking about fun holiday with cooking.
Wow, you two both love to cook, right?
What made you really like and decided to make cooking as a hobby or fulfill your holiday?
Since childhood, my mother always invite me to help her cook in the kitchen. I always want to know what ingredients are in front of me and what delicious dishes will be in future. So I often notice my mother relaxed way of cooking and gradually starting to like it too.
Ah, I see. Then how about you, Shinta?
At the first, I like cooking because at the times I was left by my mother and my father to work and did not have time to make breakfast for me because I'm hungry and I need to breakfast. I have idea to cook fried rice noodle with a recipe to the best of my knowledge, mixing all kind of spice. And when I finished and I tried it, I was very surprised because the taste was beyond of my expectations. Then I always curious and tried new recipes, which eventually feels in love with cooking.
Wow, amazing! You guys are so great. By the way, how about you, Sam? Do you also like cooking?
Right, I like it too, but I'm not very smart to cook like them.
It's okay, no problem. Me too. Lately, I like to cook sabilla.
Really? I also cook seblak. It's not too difficult to make it, right? The ingredients are also not too much.
I agree with you, Sam.
Seblak is very popular among the community lately.
Yeah, sure. How do you to make delicious soup?
It's very easy. First, we need to prepare the necessary ingredients as rice, such as a handful of shrimp cracker, 4 cloves of garlic, 6 cloves of red onion, 5 pieces of cayenne pepper or according to taste, 3 large red chilies, 1 finger of cornstarch, salt, pepper, and sugar to taste. Then 1 egg, 2 sausage, optional vegetables such as mustard green, pak choi, and enough water of according to taste. If you want to be more satiated, you can add instant noodle to it.
Then soak the crackers in hot water until soft and drain them. Seasonings such as onion, garlic, cayenne pepper, chili pepper, and of course kencur are crushed. Then the ground spices are sauteed with a little oil until fragrant. Don't forget to add water and bring back to a boil. And then add salt, sugar, seasoning, and a little pepper. Keep adjusting the taste until you get the desired taste.
Then add the eggs. Once the eggs are cooked, add the vegetable and sausage. Stir and cook until the sauce shakes. After that, pour it into a plate or bowl, and the delicious sabilla is ready to enjoy.
Wow, it's so interesting. I will try to make it.
How about you, Dea? What food have you cooked this holiday?
The day after is the day I made croffle.
Wow, what is that?
Croffle is combination of croissant and waffle. First, I made a croissant dog. It looked like a roll, and once finished and dog, I put a place to make waffle and croffle is ready.
That looks delicious.
By the way, what are the material needed to make croffles?
The croffle is 200 milliliter hot milk, 6 gram of yeast, and 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 219 gram high protein flour, and little spoon of salt, 150 gram of butter room, and temperature use all.
The ingredients are easy to find around us.
Right. How about we try to make it together?
That sounds good.
Yes, it will be nice. Then, where are we going to make it together?
How about at my house?
Sure.
I'm agree.
Yeah, me too. What's the time?
How about Sunday afternoon?
Okay.
Okay. See you on Sunday afternoon, guys. Be happy.
See you.